Just after 1 minute, you can ask me to turn off the video, right?
My video.
Yes.
Okay, we are live now. Hi, good morning. So, expiry date, Priyanka.
Yes, rather exciting day today for all the traders.
Yeah, so we'll get started with the news for the day. So as we know that stocks and US equity have declined owing to the Fed minutes, Fed reserves meeting minutes which were released last night, and we do have some of our insights which Cora would be sharing. But before that, I'll give a very crisp update on the news today. Like as we can see on my screen, the Indian ADR checks. So ICICI Bank and Tata Motors are doing well. Others are slightly down. Other stocks are slightly down. Then the stocks that you need to watch out today for will be Z Entertainment. Like in Z Entertainment, like Invesco will sell around 7.8% of its stake in the company. Then you can watch out for IDFC, Godrej Consumer, Titan, Tata Steel as yesterday, DCB Bank, Motherson Sumi, Bank of Baroda, Maruti Suzuki, HDFC Banks, and so forth. You could have a look at this list. Then coming to our FNOQs. So as you can see in the cash market, the FII cash that was there, it is down by 2,280 crores, and DII cash was bought by 623 crores. There was a slight dip in the FIIs and derivatives there, as you can see. So
they sold 4,100 crores in the
yes,
derivative spectrum yesterday.
yes. So
what is the pre-market doing?
Pre-market, just a moment. And I was also going to take you to the minutes that we have.
I will come back to that because we don't have time now.
Okay, so
pre-market is indicating about 80 points down.
yes, dip of 80
Not a big fall like S&P, because S&P has fallen about 1% last night. What are the stocks which are up in market?
Yes, Sakura.
HDFC Life,
HDFC Life, Cipla, Coal India, Tata Steel, Apollo Hospital, Dr. Reddy.
Okay, none of the
Hindalco.
big guns are up. What are the stocks which are down?
Okay. So ONGC is down, UPL, HDFC, Reliance, IndusInd Bank, SBIN, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Grasim, Ultra,
All the banks are
Simco.
down.
Yes.
Down by a small, but Reliance is down by 1%. So it will put some pressure on the index. And all the HDFC also are down, both the HDFC.
So I guess, Cora, can we start? Like I'll share, I'll stop sharing and I'll pass over to Priyanka so that we can start punching some trades.
Sure, Reena. Thank you for all the insights today. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at our portfolios and stuff, right? What's happening? Yeah. So these are all the positions that are open, and these are our holdings.
Priyanka, so there is a considerable dip in the Nifty Bank.
Yes.
And the Nifty Bank, I am bullish, right? We've been adding bank fees with small profits that we are making.
Yes.
What I'll also do is, depending on our balance, how much funds we have now?
We have around 61,832 rupees.
Margin used, cash margin. So actually our collateral got activated.
Yes.
We are using 17,000, whatever we pledged, we have about 17,000 coming from that.
Okay, right here. Yes.
Yeah, so we can use that to trade. So there was a pay-in also I did, and then that 17,000 extra came.
Yes.
So what I would like to do is go to NSE.
NSE option chain.
No, NSE India.
Okay.
Resources. Historical data.
I'm so sorry.
Or 1 minute. Let me. What is the time now?
It is 9:13 exactly.
1 minute, because I don't know whether. I'm just looking at where the Bank Nifty was at 31st March.
Sure.
So it is at 36,300. So I would like to buy 37. Let's see. I will give it to you.
Yes.
And take it back.
It's 9:14, Cora.
Yeah, that's why I gave it to you. I know. So
do we add anything to our watch list?
yeah, so just look at where Bank Nifty 38,000 call June.
38,000.
I think you can press 38,000. Yeah, 38,000.
June.
June. Bank Nifty.
CE, right?
Yeah, call. That is call. Yeah. How much?
1,660.
Open the bid ask.
Yes. Yeah, it's 9:15 live.
That's very huge. It's about 200 rupees tip.
Yes.
What's the midpoint between those two? 1450 and 1600.
1500, 10 or some, 20 something.
Okay, try buying at 1550. 1549 you put. 49.
Cora, did you see that? It is
Open that again, press. Or you go to orders.
Yes.
They would be rejected. Yeah, why it's rejected?
This is the reason. Liquidity block type.
Just copy that. I need to see why it's. You can't copy, right?
Oh no, I'm not able to copy.
To find out why it's got. Okay, so we won't be able to buy that then.
Cora, I'll do a screenshot for you and Priyanka,
Yeah.
I'll share it with you.
Yeah, Reena, you can do that.
Yeah, Cora, I'll share the screenshot with you.
Perfect.
So I actually wanted to buy that, but it's not happening. What's our sold PE doing? We sold 37,200 P.
It's in profit, Cora, but not.
But we are not booking. So what I would like to do is, if we are not in front of the screen,
Yes.
I would like to cover that at probably 15 rupees. So
Right.
square of that at limit 15, maybe 15.
15. No, nothing else, right?
Yeah. Just see whether it's gone into queue.
Yes.
Pending. It might get hit at certain point.
Yes. We'll have to check back to it.
But if our order would have been filled at 1550, it's
Huh.
gone 1600, that is 38,000 CE.
Oh,
But yeah, that's nothing you can. Just check 37,500 CE where it is.
yes, I'll do that. That is also June, right?
Yeah.
It's in 1900, 1917.8.
That will be going wide. Just open that. There's no trade at all there. But this is a little neat. So try at 20 plus 70 is how much? 90. 45. 1845.
It's the same, I think. The same thing, Cora. It's rejected again.
Yeah, I think I need to find. We'll call them and find out why.
Yes.
Priyanka, show it again. I'll take the screenshot.
It's the
and share
same.
it.
It's the same.
One, Reena.
Okay.
Due to
Fine.
liquidity block type.
Okay. Yeah.
So apart
In
from
which
this,
case, maybe I will try to buy Nifty. Just see. I think is it only expiry day phenomena? I don't know. So maybe. Where is Nifty? Okay, let's see if Nifty 18,000 we can buy on June.
it's in 523.90.
I'll open that.
Around
Yeah, this is not a big spread difference.
Huh.
At midpoint, 28.
Yes, 528. Okay, the order is placed and it's completed also, Cora.
Yes. See how much funds we have now.
Yes. 34,666.
Okay, so we are basically a little bullish that Nifty is going to go above 18,000 before Jan, right?
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't want to overpay. So what I want to do is search something called Fig Leaf.
Fig leaf.
On the Fig Leaf on the browser.
Oh, all right. FI Fig leaf.
Fig Leaf option trade.
This one?
Yeah, that's one. No, on top. So this is basically buy and in the money or at the money leap call. That is what we have done, which is June, and sell a short dated out of the money call.
Okay.
All right. So this is like a replicating a covered call at a leveraged space. Right. So for this, what I would try to do is go to Alpha Web.
Yes.
Where is our Nifty 17,700, right?
Yes, 17,725. Yes.
See what is 17,800 call doing? 800 or 900 call? This week expiry.
One is at 20, almost 16 rupees now.
No, so I would
14th.
take that risk because if a 100-point rally comes, we would be sweating to defend that position.
Yes.
Maybe 7,900.
Yes, I'll check that.
I'm happy even if I get about 10 rupees.
It's in 4 rupees, Cora.
What is go to NSE? I just want to know what is 17,700 straddle price.
Okay, NSE option chain, right?
Yeah,
17.
700.
It's at 34 and
No. 34 and 59. So about 100 rupees, right?
yes, 59. Yes.
Maybe sell that 17,800. See if we can take that 16 rupees.
17,800. See.
Sell at 16.1. 16.2. Yeah, try.
It's done, Cora.
It's done. And how much funds we have now?
9,226.
This should have been 15,000.
Yes.
20,000.
Do we square off any positions?
No, because not necessary at this point of time.
Okay.
So what is that we have in the open?
These only.
Close all those. So no, the positions. Our positions are a fig leaf of June 18,000 CE.
Yes.
And a short 17,800 CE this week.
Okay.
And yesterday's 13,700 short put and 36,200 buy.
Okay.
And our holdings.
Yes. Let's check our holdings. It's doing pretty well today.
So we're up 200. Yesterday it was about 1,400, right?
Yes. Do you want to see which is doing?
Go to our second tab.
Yeah.
Right.
Third tab for ETFs.
Actually, Nasdaq, I don't mind adding one or two. The 100 ETF because it's a slight dip.
Yes. Do you want me to add it right now?
I would buy. Just see the spread because mornings it will be a little wide, but not so wide today. Okay.
10 paisa is the difference.
So buy two of them.
Done, Cora.
And go to the stocks tab.
Yeah.
What is our stock holding?
I think Signity is coming back.
Except Aztec is up like 2%.
Yes.
Everything else is flat. We'll come back in 5 minutes. Let me go back to Rena's screen and explain what's the Fed stuff.
Yeah, sure. Over to you, Reena.
Yeah, I'll share some screen. So as we were talking about Fed minutes.
Yeah, so these were the Fed minutes. So go to the Twitter handle.
Yeah.
Twitter handle of Fed.
Okay.
First one. First tab.
Yes.
So you can see the Fed has given or released their minutes. The minutes gets posted for 2 weeks after the Fed meeting. The last Fed meeting was held on 16th of March. And Fed generally holds 8 meetings in a year. In each of the meetings, they decide what the interest rate is going to be. Last time there was a hike of 25 bips on 16th March. And whatever the discussions that happened on those 2 days gets posted as a minutes 2 weeks or 3 weeks later. Generally, all the Fed meetings happen on a Wednesday.
Okay.
Meetings or minutes. Minutes release on a Wednesday in a space of 6 weeks. Each meeting is about 6 weeks spaced. So 8 into 6 will give you 48 weeks, which is close to a year. And you can see what we have tweeted. Go back to the tweet. Yeah, so the tweet is on 16th. Lata Venkatesh was asking to watch out. The next big event is how the Fed is going to reduce the balance sheet. We just made a wild guess. It will be around 1.5 times the speed of balance sheet tightening, which happened on 2017 to 2019. So as you can see, the balance sheet was about 4.5 trillion and it came all the way down to 3.7. I don't know the pace, but I think about 50 or 60 billion per month. And our guess was 1.5. That's what exactly Reuters saying, right? So what is the Reuters saying?
Yeah.
So they decided, generally agreed about 95 billion per month.
Oh.
Right. So now if you go back to the Google, so you can just search Fred, FR. That's a website which gives you all the economy data from US. And Fred, I'm looking at assets, right? So this is what we got. The next chart. So right now, this is what the balance sheet, Fed balance sheet. As you can see, it was about 4 trillion before the COVID. And then we entered into recession. So they started adding the assets all the way up to 9 trillions, right? So they started at 4, and then COVID relief package, which is in the recession, they added like a couple of trillion, and then slowly doing the monthly some purchases. I don't remember the number, and now it is at 9 trillion. So now they have to some level, maybe 4 or whatever, by doing 95 billion dollar tightening. That's what the Fed balance sheet looks like, and that's where you can get the data from.
Yeah, that was quite
These are all a
insightful.
little complex things, but yeah, if you ever want to venture into understanding the economy or understanding what the Fed does, you should probably read, and you might gain some knowledge.
Yeah, definitely, Cora. This is going to be in my read list now. What about you, Priyanka?
Mine too, Reena. Absolutely.
What's our positions doing? Let's
Stop sharing.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Cora,
okay, Nifty is stuck there only.
Yes.
It was 90 points down and it's 90 points down. The Bank Nifty is still at 200 points down. So we'll have a problem if Bank Nifty dips below 13,200 because we sold a put there.
Yes, this one. Yes.
Otherwise, we are okay. I will drop off now, and we'll make Reena the host, so you can continue and you can wind up the show.
Thank you so much, Cora.
Thank you, Cora.
Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. And I'm dropping off from the meeting.
You too, Cora. Have a nice day. So, Reena, what are your plans for today? Taking any trades?
Yes, I'll be looking out at NMDC, Tata Steels, because they both have buzzing stocks. And since bank Nifties are going down, so I might do a little study and see if I can make something there.
True. I wanted to share something interesting. Yes Bank, which is always down, is up almost 20% today, even though the banks are not doing that well. So do you think there is something behind happening in the background that we all still don't know about?
Maybe by the evening show, when we are fresh with the new updates of the day, we might have some insights there too.
Yes, yes. Let's hope for that. I think that's all from me, Reena. I We can have a nice day. That's all.
Happy trading to you, dear.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Bye. Happy trading to everyone. Enjoy
Catch
your
us
Thursday.
back at 3 o'clock show, and we'll share all our position updates at that time. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.